The application cannot download error on your Toyota Camry's infotainment system is a common issue that prevents new software or app updates from installing correctly. This error typically appears when the system encounters problems during the download or installation process. There are several potential causes for this error. Understanding these causes is essential for proper diagnosis. First, a weak or unstable internet connection can prevent downloads from completing successfully. The infotainment system requires a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Second, insufficient storage space on the infotainment system can prevent new applications or updates from installing properly. Third, corrupted system files or software glitches within the infotainment system itself can trigger this error and prevent proper operation. Finally, compatibility issues between the application being downloaded and the current software version of your infotainment system can prevent successful installation. Identifying the root cause is the first and most important step toward resolving this error. Each cause requires a different approach to fix the problem effectively. When your Camry's infotainment system shows an application cannot download error, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Verify your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is essential for downloading applications to your infotainment system. Step 2. Check available storage space on your infotainment system. Insufficient storage is a common cause of download failures. Delete unnecessary files or applications to free up space. Step 3. Restart your infotainment system. This simple step can resolve temporary software glitches that may be preventing downloads. Step 4. Perform a system update. Outdated software may have compatibility issues. Installing the latest software version often includes bug fixes that resolve download problems. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. This will erase all personal settings and data, but can resolve persistent software issues. Only proceed if other steps have failed. Step 6. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact your local Toyota dealership or a certified technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to address complex infotainment system problems. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps should resolve most application download errors on your Camry's infotainment system. Start with the simple solutions and progress to more advanced steps only if needed.